Welcome to Stilts Calatagan, the Maldives here in Calatagan, Batangas. It offers 3 beach resorts: Harmony Beach, which is the focal point, famous for their floating resorts or floating villas. They also have Serenity Beach, which is famous for their treehouse villas, and Destiny Beach, which is at the far left of the resort. 3 to 4 hours drive away from Metro Manila, a must try or a must go to when you are in Batangas. Once again, the Stilts, Maldives of Calatagan, Batangas. To get the full resort tour, please watch our vlog in our YouTube channel, BPO Budget Travels and Gala, youtube.com/lakwachambpo. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you mga kalakwatsa!